Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. My name is Paul and today we're working on the core. Gotta be perfectly honest with you. I put this together pretty quickly. Sometimes life gets in the way. There's just not a lot of time for doing your hobby stuff. And YouTube is a hobby for me and I love doing it. And that's why I've never missed an upload in over 6 years on a Monday and a Thursday. So like I said, today, core work. Dumbbell required, not completely necessary. You can use it if you want to challenge yourself a little bit more. We have 8 different exercises, 25 repetitions per exercise, for most of them with some surprises thrown in. So let's not waste any time. Let's get started with the first exercise, the weighted sit-up. Let's get down on the ground and let's go. Like I said, 25 reps per exercise. Going to do the best that I can to count for you, as I usually do. Not always the best counting, but close enough, right? Ready to go for 25 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go. 1, 2, a lot of counting today, so I apologize in advance. 3, 4, 5, very little break between the exercises. 6, 7, 8, keep going. 9, 10, keep it up. Also, I put this together quickly, like I said, so I don't know how well I'm gonna do during this. 14, it's not gonna be easy, I know that. 15, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, lower abs done. Nah, just kidding, just one of the exercises. Now we're doing the reverse. Ready? Legs up in the air. You try to get that butt off the ground as much as you can. You support your lower back like I'm doing. Make sure there's nothing behind you. I always slide forward doing this exercise. Let's sit back a little bit and let's go. Ready? 1, 25, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moving right along. 1, come on. 2, 3, 4, and that's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. 1, 2, keep it up. 3, 4, last one, and 5. Whew. All right, maybe I will take a little break. Anyway, going through the old Russian twist, weighted, non-weighted, however you want to do it. Up to you. I'm going to use a dumbbell, 25 repetitions, legs up in the air. If you can, if you can't, that's fine. Leave them on the ground. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep that dumbbell with you if you want. Weighted crunch, replacing that dumbbell as we lay down on our feet. Keep the tension on the core. Straighten them out. Cover the gut so nobody sees it. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dumbbells down, that was convenient. All right. Moving right along. Let me grab my magic clock. We're going for a plank. That is going to last all of 2 minutes. Guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, plank. Clock is going. I don't have to count. It's a beautiful thing. I can just talk. Work with me. 2 minutes. This is gonna be the halfway point of our workout. I could have done 25 seconds, but that would have been too easy. So let's just do the 2 minutes. All right, 30 seconds down, almost in 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds down, keep holding it, keep holding it. Don't want to make this too easy. Come on, you can finish this with me today. Keep going. Like I said, quick, not so quick workout. Make it challenging, work that core. Fit after 50, do core every day. I believe it's the hashtag that I use. Still like it. We're moving on to halfway point. Keep holding it, keep everything locked in 3, 2, 1, halfway. Keep it up. Keep that plank strong. You know, I always wish I could see myself right now, because whenever I edit the video, I look at it and go, but that was a crack plank. But you know what? I'm fighting and I'm doing the best that I can. So keep it here. Core is burning, it feels good. Come on. Oh, we're working on 30 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, 30 seconds left. Keep it up. Keep going. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. We get a little tiny break after this. 20 seconds left. Don't give up now. Lock those shoulders in. Tight glutes and quads. Keep it up. 10 seconds. Come on. Hold it. Hold it. Keep it up. Oh no. 5, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Yes, I paused my phone there for a second. Yeah. Technology sometimes, not my strong point. All right, phone back. We're not gonna need hello, Paul. Need that anymore. Plank done. Not gonna need a dumbbell anymore. All right, this is gonna show my inflexibility. Doesn't matter. Hands to feet. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Don't hit anything, and let's go for 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. And 5. All right, let's take a few seconds. 2 more exercises, and we are done. 2 more exercises. That was weird. It's like being Ozzy there for a second. All right, 25 reps, crunchy frog. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, balance. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5. 10 more. Ready? 10. Count down with me. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, 1 exercise left. I said 25 repetitions. It's written on the board to be something else. Lay down with me. We're going for scissor kicks. 3 counts, 100 of them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. There's gonna be a lot of counting. I'm gonna turn the music up a little bit louder. You don't have to listen to my dumb ass for the next 2 minutes. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It burns. 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway. Yeah, it burns. All right, 50 more. Ready? Hope you're still going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna finish no matter what. 7, 8. Might be 10 at a time. 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Paul needs a break. 35 left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10. Paul needs a break. 25 left. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10. 15 left. Let's get them now in one set. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Last ones. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, yes. I believe that was close to 100. Close enough for government work. Guys, we are done with our core workout. Clearly I couldn't make it through. Like I said, I wrote this up on the fly. I knew it was gonna be challenging. I challenged myself. I hope you challenged yourself. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. This was our core workout. Mondays and Thursday workouts for over 6 years. My name is Paul. This is our basement. I'll see you guys during the next workout.